I would say the moment I knew that I was gonna go make ramen was the lab safety course at East Central College. At 22 years old, I looked around and I decided that I can't do that for 2 more years, and I would rather move to Japan and learn how to make ramen. I'm Steven Pursley of Ramen by Rui, and I'm on a mission to become a pillar in the local food community and also be a responsible purveyor of Japanese food culture. And like to push myself or like try to be more creative. How I am working a lot within like what's already been, as far as like the ramen that I make that's not vegan, like that's all pretty like, I don't want to say textbook, or I don't want to sell myself short, but it's not like anything like that outside of the box for what's over there. But the vegan stuff, I will say, is like challenging me to like try to be creative and like move outside of stuff that I've seen. So like even with like the vegan miso that I've made, it was technique-wise, it was stuff that I've been exposed to, but ingredient-wise, I was having to like pull different things and plug in others. Obviously take out meat product and put in vegetable product and try to be creative and pairs, flavors, and you know, just do shit that I haven't done before. That is one thing that I've appreciated about the vegan process. Even though I've always been like, man, I was there for 3 years, I never saw one fucking even vegetarian option. So it's like a little bit spiteful, but then also fun. Shout out to vegans.
Do you need to step on something or you got it?
As far as like the home pop-ups, definitely girlfriend Kay, she's the hostess with the mostest. My little sister, she's been helping. She's gonna be on the team on the culinary side. She'll probably be the head noodle lady. So yeah, I got my own little small tribe, but as far as like getting the big thing rolling, yeah, it's just me. After I graduated from UMSL with a political science degree that I didn't really know what to do with, yeah, I was just kind of at a crossroads. I might invite some extra people, so yeah, we'll see. I think we're about halfway there. I think I've had like 12 people come through so far.
I feel like I'm in the spotlight right now. Alright, your guys' bowls are up. This one has the meat packing that you can do.
Yes.
Okay.
It's hard, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
it's
no,
hard
it's
to
like-
nail a spicy.
I wouldn't use the adjective spicy to describe it if I was describing it to someone, you know what I mean? It's like hearty and spicy at the same time.
It's not something you want people.
Remind me, it's like
Yeah.
pot. Would you say? I mean, that's how you describe.
I'm trying to
people
figure
as
out
like
a way
pasta.
that I can like, it's more of like an aromatic spiciness.
Yeah.
Like not so much just like straight heat.
Yeah, and it stays
Yeah.
with you, and it's not just like on it; it's in it.
Yeah.
It's really nice, dude.
Right.
I really like this a lot.
The Asian thing, it's always, I've experienced it / like heard about it, where it's like you open your fridge and you got stinky food and your white friends are like pinching their noses and pointing and laughing or whatever, which is like not ever, I wasn't like a victim or nothing, but I've had like those times where it was like, ew, that's gross, and it's always kind of like, oh, don't say that, like I love this food. I'm happy that like Asian food and, you know what I'm saying, like culture, I guess, is kind of becoming a little more prevalent in like mainstream, not even just media, but you know, I'm just saying like in society, because I feel like it was always like growing up, I didn't see any like Asian influence on TV or like, I don't know, I guess you had like Chinese food was always around, but that was always like stigmatized as well. So some feedback I got tonight. I think the mazemen's still like too starchy, so I gotta put more soup in it. I feel like it was like pretty quick, right? The service was smooth. I feel like it was more.
Yeah,
It was slower in the beginning, and then the second half was a little more. Future, yeah, like I was saying, hopefully get into an incubator space, somewhere that's gonna let me use their equipment for hopefully not too long of a time, a couple months. That'll give me a chance to run numbers and get a proof of concept, and then I can take the big leap, get my own spot, and hopefully contribute to the growing food scene in St. Louis.